When we moved into our new house, we quickly realized we didn't have a place for shoes or jackets. With no closet and lots of shoes, we needed a storage solution, fast. We tried a few other options, but they kept falling apart, especially with how often we switch shoes and a cat that loves running around. So we knew our next one had to be sturdy. After looking through so many options, we finally settled on the Gonfoam 4-tier Expandable Shoe Rack, and here's why it worked best for us. If you're interested, check the link in the description and grab one for yourself. One of the best things about this rack is how easy it is to assemble. It takes less than 5 minutes and you don't even need any tools. The metal frame is sturdy and the expandable design lets you adjust the width up to 33.8 inches, fitting up to 16 pairs of adult shoes. This time we needed something that could actually handle daily use. The rack is made of high-quality metal, giving it a smooth finish that looks great in any space. Each shelf holds up to 13 pounds, making it strong enough for heavy shoes like boots or basketball sneakers. Even with the weight of multiple pairs of shoes, it stays stable and doesn't wobble. And most importantly, it doesn't fall apart when our cat decides to jump on it. One thing that we love is how versatile this rack is. Since we don't have a closet, we need something compact but expandable. You can adjust the width to fit your entryway, closet, garage, or bedroom. The arched handle design makes it easy to move, so if you need to rearrange, it's simple. The adjustable shelves make it easy to store different shoe sizes, from sneakers to heels to boots, without taking up too much space. Overall, the Gonfoam 4-tier shoe rack has been a lifesaver for our house. It's simple, sturdy, and expandable, making it perfect for our space. If you're looking for an easy, affordable way to store your shoes, this is definitely a solid choice. If you're thinking about getting one, check out the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more product reviews.